What else do you think people should be doing in their 20s and 30s to build wealth?
When it comes to building wealth, once you look at your network, how are you building your number one business? You know, a lot, and I tell this to everyone, mind your business.
How so?
Because your mind is a business. So if you mind your business, your mind is a business. How are you growing your number one business?
Your mind.
Exactly. You know, what podcasts are you listening to? What books are you reading? Are you watching less TV? Or what are you putting into here? Because what we put into here comes out. And so wealth building is really not just about the physical things as far as the money, but it's like, what are you learning? What are you putting inside of your mind that can then produce true wealth and keep wealth? What wisdom and knowledge are you obtaining? So that way, when you do make the moves, you can also sustain it. So you'll learn that about me. It's like everything about wealth building has little to do with actual green, with actually paper. It's about your core. It's about your mindset. It's about your network. Who are you surrounding yourself with? How are you all minding your business, growing your asset, your number one asset, which is your mind. Then from there, we can talk about it. You know, how do we, number one, avoid debt? Goes back to, you know, Dave Ramsey's baby steps. Avoid debt, get a fully funded emergency fund, start investing, start thinking about your kids, you know, and then from there, oh man, life is great. Yeah. You can really enjoy and do anything that you want. Whether that's, some people are doing it with cryptocurrency, some people are doing it with day trading. That's fine. Whatever is good for you. Now, I don't do single stocks. I'm not a fan of single stocks. I'm just a fan of real estates, some good growth stock mutual funds, and just really focusing on building my business.